Hey guys, Manic Artist here, and today I am starting to do my tarot deck. I've always really wanted to do this, but it took a couple of you to really push me to start doing this. I know that I had started the moon deck. That is still going to happen, but it is going to stop after my third card because it's not super popular by you guys, and I really want to make content strictly for what you guys like. I really was drawn to this card in particular. It's really why I really wanted to start it. I know it's card 21, which is really deep into the deck. I just really wanted to do this one. I had a few ideas that I had flowing through my head, and this one was the one that really, I guess, stuck, and I stuck with it. I'm doing watercolor and colored pencils because I'm still using that little watercolor set that I had found in my art stuff, and I just kind of went with it. I used pretty much every color that was in there, and I started off with like drawing it out. As you can see the earth is behind her. She's actually holding the sun and the moon is below. I wanted her to kind of radiate like she's the sun in a way, because like without the sun or the moon, like we wouldn't be here. Like our world revolves around that. And I have the 4 elements. On the bottom 2 on the left is earth. On the bottom right is water. Top left is going to be air, and the top right is fire. Because you want to have the 4 elements. That's all the basis, and they actually stem from being the 4 points of the earth: north, east, south, and west, and each one is going to be represented by the corresponding zodiac. So you have Scorpio, Leo, Taurus, Aquarius. So those 4, that's the 4 zodiacs that make up the 4 points of the earth: north, east, south, and west. And I have really been inspired by the zodiacs lately. I've been really talking about it a lot and really getting into it, and this is kind of like really is the moment right now. As I've said before, I'm manic and I can't keep my shit together, so I'm kind of everywhere, and this is the beginning of it. So I started something, and now I'm starting something else, and then I will finish it. It will get finished. It just this is how my process is. So I'm starting my tarot. We're getting it done. Tarot number 1, loving it. I'm obsessed with doing this, and the products and the utensils that I used today was I started with my Pentel pencil, mechanical pencil you can buy at Hannaford, wherever you want it. They have a ton of colors. I got that one. I have my Prismacolor colored pencils that I use, which I absolutely love. I hate that the lead cracks, but it's fine. We'll go with it. I also used those random unknown watercolors. I still can't figure out what they are. And I also use the whiteout for the water that you'll see, later on. I don't know if I've done it yet. No, I haven't done it yet. So you'll see that. But again, what I do is I start off with drawing. I black out my colors with the watercolor, and then I go over everything once it's dry with my colored pencils. It really helps bring out the realism and refine your work. It just looks so much better when you're done. I mean, I still have quite a bit, It took me forever to do this. Probably about 6 to 7 hours to get this card done, and that's not including my preparation and trying to come up with an idea, but I've never had more fun. Like, this was so much fun to do, and I really can't wait to start doing more of it. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if you have any more ideas, if there's any tarot cards you want to see next, if there's a certain tarot card that you love the most of and you want me to do next. Definitely let me know in the comments below, because I will be doing them, and then if you comment, I will do that one next. Just let me know, and I will create that for you. If you have any ideas, any elements you want to put into it, let me know, and I will coordinate it towards what you guys like and what you guys are interested in. Anyways, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like it, literally like it. If you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you guys are doing anything fun while you're watching me in the background, don't forget to tag hashtag Von Art Studios on Instagram, because I see all you guys' submissions there if you guys do that. Anyways, I love you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.